Hello guys, welcome to today's video. You can probably tell that my iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo screen, and it's obviously in a boot loop. I got this while updating it to the latest iOS over the air. Things like this happens at times. I guess it's safe to say that we already got the fixes. Here I'd like to share them with you guys. So, let's dive in. Ideally, you can fix it simply with a force restart. No computer needed for this one. For iPhone 11, is press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down, then press and hold the side button, let it go when the Apple logo reappears. Okay, it doesn't seem to work. Let's move on to the next one, update or reinstall iOS with iTunes. So once open it up, plug your phone into the computer, then put it into recovery mode, the same as the force restart. But this time don't let go of the side button until you see the connect to laptop icon. Then proceed with the update option in iTunes. Download the firmware. Then here we go. In my case, iTunes does the trick. But if it doesn't, it'll be suggesting you restore your phone to factory settings. If you don't have any backup and prefer to keep the data, ReiBoot could be a nice option. So once launched, make sure your phone are connected and in recovery mode. Then click Start to use the system repair. Here you have two options. The standard repair helps you secure the data, while the deep repair works for more serious issues. Let's go with the standard one. Download the firmware to a location that has enough space. Then here we go. ReiBoot will start bringing your phone back to normal. Well done. At this point, you should have fixed the issue. If not, run the standard repair a few more times and ensure you are on a stable network each time. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you guys. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.